Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up SimpliSafe home security base station with app alerts, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up your SimpliSafe home security base station with app alerts, begin by unboxing your equipment. Locate the base station and place it in a central location in your home. Ensure the area is free from obstructions for optimal signal strength. Plug the base station into a power outlet using the included power adapter. Wait for the base station to power up, indicated by a flashing blue light. Next, download the SimpliSafe app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen prompts to add your base station to your account. Make sure your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi for the setup process. The app will prompt you to scan the QR code on the base station's display. Once scanned, the app will automatically detect the base station. Proceed to customize your security settings within the app. You can set up preferences for alerts and notifications. Enable push notifications to receive real-time alerts on your device. Next, add any additional sensors or devices you want to include in your security system. Follow similar instructions in the app for each device you add. Once all devices are added, confirm that they are connected properly. Test each sensor or device to ensure they are functioning correctly. Adjust the settings for each device according to your preferences. Finally, perform a system test through the app to verify everything is operational. Make sure your base station is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network for optimal performance. Close the app and monitor notifications for any alerts from your security system. With these steps, your SimpliSafe home security system is now fully set up and ready to protect your home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.